Good morning, YouTubers. Hey, and welcome back to the Why Not Garage. Hey, this is Tony down here in the Carolinas on vacation, and what do I run into? Over here to the left, we are at the Ponies in the Smokies, and I tell you what, guys, they really do it big here. They've got a lot of cars here today. I would probably have to venture to say there's probably around 150 cars or so on this beautiful Saturday morning down here. It's about 80 degrees this morning, and there's cars everywhere, so stay tuned, check it out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, this is Tony at Why Not Garage. I've got Buck here with me, and we're down in Sevierville, Tennessee. Yeah. And we're doing a little bit of a car show today, but he's going to tell you a little bit about it.
Yeah, there's a 3-day event. Today is the car show on Saturday, and then we have a cruise up to the point, and then tomorrow is a farewell, and tomorrow is the run of the tail of the dragon. So we're going to have all these guys out there.
I'll tell you what, if you're ever in this area, I don't know if you could get this date, but I tell you what, it's one good show. I know we do Cars and Coffee back in our neighborhood, but I tell you what, these people down here are nice people. They don't fool around, they get the job done. So if you're ever in this area and you see them down here, come down and check them out. It's a heck of a show.
Yep, absolutely.
All right. Nice talking to you, Buck.
You too, man. Nice meeting you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Well, I tell you what, a lot of cars, everybody. Woo, good turnout.